Hello. All right, welcome to part 2 of we're catting this slop down intake. I'm doing this for like a short amount of time, so I'm just gonna post this on the Discord and then go. So I guess updates on what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna mirror this and then just mess around for a little bit and see what's going on. I need to pull up the live stream though. 1 second. In theory, no one's watching right now. Holy shoot, someone's already watching. Alright. Alright, cool. Let's just start. There's nothing much else to do, so might as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mirror this. And I know it's not like best practice to mirror it, but I'm like... it's gonna help me figure out the belt runs and whatnot, so... let's do it. And then what's next is I'm going to... so after I'm gonna composite all of this, so this is not gonna actually go into our part studio. Let's do it. We're gonna do a long shaft run that goes across. And since we're running, if we run outside spur plates, we can actually mount on the side as well. So it should be okay if we have protrusions. And then I wanted to start working on this plate here, which I can move to the front. I wanted to work on this plate because this in theory would go around, and I was thinking we put a 1x1 here. And by adding a 1x1, I did not get epic pen for this stream. It doesn't matter. I'll do it for the next stream, trust. If we have a 1x1 somewhere over here, in theory, that should allow us to have some sort of like front mounting that keeps everything stable while still maintaining like packaging space, I think. So this is really tight, so I think so this goes across, right? So we have this goes across, and then we have our plate here. Let's just design it and we'll see how it looks. Onshape is not connected. What's going on? Onshape's back? Okay, cool. I'll just design this plate and then we'll see how it goes. That's my plan. So we're gonna tangent. We're gonna design it and we're gonna loop it around. The most important thing is it's connected to this standoff. Right? And then we're gonna loop it around like this. And I think this is gonna this plate's gonna look really ugly at first, so that's fine. Yeah. I was thinking, right, if we raise the... I don't want to raise this further because then the ball has to go up. So in theory, I would prefer if I could have something over here. I think the easiest way to make this super duper compact is if I change this to a gear. But I'm not a fan of running that as a gear. I would rather have this as a... like if I run this as a gear, right, and then I just have a thing going across, then it'll work, but it's kind of crunchy, and I kind of prefer having the chain. But the chain makes this really difficult, so... see how this looks. And then I'll change my mind. One thing though is, in theory, I wouldn't need to run. I wouldn't need to run a quiet back here. as well. Fine. I'm gonna go down here and this. And then this can be controlled still, so if I make this tangent, I'll make this vertical, and then yeah, I don't like this blade at all, holy shit. Okay, I'll just arbitrarily choose something, and then we'll figure out what we want to do from that. What's next? Let's just see how, I just want to see how this feels. I didn't like this, but it's fine. So we have this plate that goes up, and it's supported here, so it's like, okay. And then on the other side, oh wait, I just realized. No, I still need to power it. If I think if I wanted to make this like clean, right, I could just run this all in one piece. So like, I mean, I can run this in 2 motors instead of having like, I could have this separate, right? And then this is on a separate motor as the other thing's on a separate motor. And in theory, that makes everything a little bit more compact. But like, I would prefer if I had some form of support here. I don't like it. And like, there's a lot of material here, right? But it's like, what can I do? It's like, if I put I could do a 2x1, right? I could do a 2x1 that goes up, and that would help with supporting it. But if I do that, right, it's like I get the support here, but it's not. I'm a little bit worried about the intake hitting, which is my main concern. And then the chain run as well, right? Because the chain run's right here. So it's a little bit weird if the chain runs right here. The alternative is I put this chain on the inside. So instead of putting it here, I put it over there on this side of the plate. So the plate's a little bit smaller. And then that means that the chain might be able to fit snugly inside. So I wonder, okay. Let's just keep changing, let's just change the color of it and then just keep catting. Okay, what's next? So we have most of it, we have the plates. So we have plates here, plate here, and then, this is not, I need max planetary mounting. That's what I was missing. I forgot about that. And this is not even constrained. Okay, so max planetary mounting, I got a ping somewhere. Six bench. So I can get the 2 here. And I think what I would do is I would make this knot. I would clock at 45 like this, because that gives me more room. I don't know what's a good way to dimension it, really. Like this? Clock at 30. Let's see. And then 8 minutes till chemistry lecture. We win these. Okay. And then that means that I do need to have... I think I can still just run this across, right? No, I can't. So this plate's gonna be really weird. It's like the packaging. No. And then this hole is not. Yeah, no, this is the top hole. This is fine. Let's make this vertical. Yeah, we're good. And then if I dead axle this, right, then I don't have to worry about the cross or the torque transfer. The issue is I can't do that because if this goes interior, right? So this is in. With dead axle, I have to run this inner. Now I run this inner, then. Oh, I guess nothing would clip. This goes across. And then... Like, if I ran this deeper, right, it wouldn't, like, actually clip. It's just, it'd be weird, but it wouldn't... Oh, I think I run... Okay, what I'll do is I'll run live axle, and then I'll run dead on the second one. I think that's what I'll do. If I can. The nice thing about that is I can... George Tao, best channel for real, I agree. This is the best channel. So okay, so we have chemistry lecture in 4 minutes. We have, this goes here and here. There and there. I'll run a cross shaft, and then I'll probably just come late to my lecture. It's fine, right? What's the worst that could happen? Someone asked me to stream chemistry class. I am not going to stream chemistry class, unfortunately. Okay, so we... This is cross shaft number 1. And then I actually need packaging room, so... Actually, that'll be really funky. I didn't think about that. So what I need to do here, right, is it's like... It's almost like a... It's almost like a tangent of... So this arc goes tangent, and then we go and connect it all together. Also jank. Somehow this is insanely jank. I really need to fix that. I don't like it. I like it at all. I have like no mounting points. Like, I could tap a plate and put it on this side, but that's so weird if I did that. So we're gonna run a plane offset by half an inch. And we run a sketch on this plane. I have chemistry class in 2 minutes. All good, right? I wonder if I could... No, I can't. So 1.128, and then that pivots. So this bearing is also 1.128. Why did they look different sized? Alright, freak this. I have to go to chemistry class. We're calling it good. Alright, see ya.